Over his ping pong table. Hi, Grace. Grace is trying to sit on her new chair that we just bought her.
Will, come here.
She sets it up right.
I will.
Now she's got it up right. Now she's gonna figure out how she's gonna sit in it.
Gonna take a seat?